Hello everyone, welcome to this session where I will show you how to create an internal service desk catalog without customer portal. This is a perfect use case for those who doesn't use service desk and yet still need a service catalog when using Jira Software or Jira Work Management. For example, to submit requests for onboarding a new employee, granting access, or purchasing equipment. Building a service like this isn't a biggie with customer portal, but what about when a select list custom field is not enough workaround? This problem can be solved in 5 thanks to Multilevel Select app. Okay, so let's create a Multilevel Select custom field and take a look how it works on the Create issue view and later on the issue view. So we are in custom fields. Let's create custom field. It will be advanced, Multilevel Select. Next. It is possible to create up to 7 cascades, so there is a room for more complicated cases. But now let's stick to the onboarding process when new employee of design team needs an equipment. Equipment, welcome on board. And let's create it. Okay, now let's go back to custom fields. Let's find ours. This is it. And let's choose screen and context. And let's configure multi-level select here. Okay, so the first level, it will be hardware and software. Let's name it equipment. And now the hardware branch we will do manually and the software we will do in bulk. So let's create second level in hardware. It will be laptop, mouse, and maybe headphones. Laptop can be MacBook, Dell and HP. Mouse can be wireless or basic, sorry, basic. And headphones, wireless and basic. Let's go back to level 1 and software. Now let's click here, add options in bulk, and just let's write what we need. So Adobe, Mac OS, and maybe Microsoft, add, and as you can see it is done. Adobe bulk, Photoshop, Premiere, and maybe Illustrator. Okay, Mac OS can be Keynote and maybe Safari, doesn't matter, and Microsoft maybe Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Okay, so we have it. Let's go back to the first level and let's save changes. Okay, and now we have to make sure that this custom field will appear in the right project. So let's go back to the configuration, edit configuration, and now you can choose issue types. I will go with task, and here you can choose content. It can be global, or you can assign this custom field to a project. I will go with design and modify it. Okay, and now the last thing, let's go back once again to custom fields, because now we have to also add this custom field to the screen. So equipment, here we have screens and context. Sorry, that one is ours. Context here, screens, and we have to associate it. Design, this one, and update. Okay, so we have all set up, and now let's create issue and let's take a look how this custom field looks like. So create, project is okay, issue type is okay, summary, maybe equipment needs, Let's select a date. We don't need description. Priority can be, for example, high. And here we have our multi-level custom field, equipment. So now let's assume that I need Photoshop. So software, Adobe, and Photoshop. And let's create it. And now the last thing, just let's take a look how it looks like on issue view. Here we have equipment, and all the data I chose in multi-level select custom field. So as you can see, internal service desk catalog doesn't require customer portal at all. Thanks you for joining me this session. If you have any questions, just schedule a free demo.